Right, so welcome to our video again. We're doing question 21 to 25. I would like you to pause the video and try question 21 quickly. Pause the video, try question 21. Okay, now we're looking at prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that nothing else going to them apart from themselves and 1. For example, 13 is prime number because only 1 and 13 can go into it. Okay. Now 12 is not a prime number because even though 1 and 12 can go into it, but also there's 2 and 6 as well. There are other numbers that can go into it. Okay? So 12 is not a prime number. Now, another thing to know quickly is whether 3 can go into a number. It will help you if you can tell if 3 can go into a number. I'm going to give you a clue quickly. If 3 can go into a number, it means that if you add the digits, so the 2 and the 7, if you add them together, the answer should be in 3 times table. If I got 1 and true, if I add these 3 digits together, 1 plus 0 plus 2, I get 3. It means that the 102 is in 3 times table. Okay, so that's how quickly to know. Now, so 47, 2, there's nothing that can go in here. 3 cannot go there either. 4 plus 7 is 11, so 3 can't go there. 2 can't go there. There's nothing that can go there apart from 1 and 47. So that's that. 5 can go here, so it's not a prime number. 2 can go here. 6 can go here. 7 can go there. 41, 3 can't go because 4 plus 1 is 5. Right, so 3 can't go there. 2 can't go there. And nothing can go there apart from 1 and 41. So that's a prime number. Even numbers apart from 2, they are normally they are normally not prime numbers because 2 can go into this straight away. 1 can go there. 29 can go here. So many things can go there. 63, 9 can go there. 62, 2 can go there. 73, nothing can go there. 3 can't go there. So apart from 1 and 73, nothing can go there. So the answer would be D. Okay, so take the answer to that. So D is the answer. Okay. So pause the video and try question 22. Pause the video and try question 22. Right, so I hope you try that. Now, the object is being moved 3 units to the right. So right means this side. And then it's being moved down. So 3 units across and then 2 units down. That's what they're doing. So let's start with this point here. This point is being moved 1, 2, 3 across, then 1, 2 down. So it's going to be this point here. Okay. And then this other point would go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So it's going to be there. This other point is going to go 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So it's going to go here. And then this point will be 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 down. So it's going to go there. And all you need to do is to read these coordinates. Right, quickly, this is going to be 5 across and 0 up. So it's 5 and 0. This is going to be 8 across and nothing up. So it's 8 and 0. The front number has to be about x. This one is 5 on the x and 4 on the y. So you have to do the x first. So 5 first. So 5 and 4. And then this one here is going to be x first, which is going to be 8 first and then 4. So 8 and 4. Okay. If you look at the answers that are there, you're going to notice that the answer is going to be D. D is the one that has got all these numbers that are put down here, all these coordinates. So that's going to be D. Okay, pause question 23 and 24, please, and try. Right, so I hope you try question 23. 23, if they're asking for the mean, it means that you're going to share everything equally. So let's pretend that these ones are the number of sweets the kids are having. Altogether, I've got 6 kids here. Now I've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 children. Now what's going to happen, if you want to think about mean, is basically saying that they're going to share all these things together, as they say, equally. So there's 6 sweets plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. All together, if you add that properly, you're going to find that they're all 42 altogether. Now you're going to share equally, so the answer is going to be 6. Okay? So mean basically means that you are sharing equally. You add everything you have, then share equally. So you share between the 7. So the answer is 6. Question 24, the length of each side of the hexagon is 2. So these sides are basically, that's going to be 2, 2, 2. Everything is basically 2. The sides are 2. Now, calculate the distance around the outer edge of this pattern. So the edge around is going to be this part here, that part there, all the way around. Okay, so that's going to be what they're talking about. So this line's around. Okay, so these points, so the points that I've colored are red. These other inside ones, don't add them because they're not outside around. Now, the quickest thing to do, you know that one side is 2 centimeters, so that's 2 centimeters. But how many have you got? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you got 2 times by 14. So together, they make 28 centimeters. Okay. So the distance all the way around is 28 centimeters. Now, that's the same as perimeter. Okay. So that's how to do that quickly. Make sure that you put sticks when you count. Otherwise, you might count something twice or you must miss. So you put sticks down as you count. Okay. Question 25. Pause the video quickly and try question 25. Okay, so let's try. It says the table shows part of the information written on a tin. Amrit eats 3/4 of the tin of a fruit. How many grams of carbohydrate did Amrit eat? Now, the most important thing is to look at this. This is what you find in a quarter of a tin. So if you just focus on carbohydrate, it means that a quarter of that tin, if you draw the tin, yeah, if that's half of it, and this is a quarter of it. So in this quarter here, you got 12.2 grams of carbohydrate. But you know you don't want 1/4. You don't want to see what is eating in 1/4. You want to see what is eating in 3/4 of the tin. So there's another 1/4 there, which will equally have 12.2. And there's another 1/4 there to make 3/4. So there are 3/4 altogether. So that's going to be another 12.2 grams. So in these 3/4, the amount of carbohydrates eaten is going to be 12.2 grams, and you're timesing it by 3, right? Because 1/4 is 12.2, so 3/4 you need to times by 3. So if you do that, you got 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6 there, 3 times 1 is 3, and if you put the decimal point there, you got that there. So that's 6.6 grams. Okay, so that's the answer to that. Right, so I hope you done well on that. So if you want to, I'm just gonna turn this off because at the end of the lessons of the question.